the other shoes, with everything. We have a round circle hot shoes. Those are black shoes.
Who are you talking to? Who has shoes?
Minnie has black shoes.
Oh, black shoes?
Yeah, and she has bow and the other bow and the
She does have a bow in her hair. She's so cute. Who gave you that Minnie Mouse?
Mimi.
That's right. And Joey and Anthony too.
Joey and Anthony.
Yeah.
And I want the pink Minnie.
The what?
The pink Minnie.
What's that? Oh, the one when you watch the pink Minnie on the Mickey Mouse Club.
Yeah.
Yes. What do you say to Aunt Mimi and Joey and Anthony for giving you that Minnie?
Thank you.
And
I love you.
very good. And don't you love Minnie?
Yeah.
Do you love this Minnie Mouse?
Yeah. Can I have my doggy back?
This belongs to Will, right?
This is not Will's.
Yes, it is.
It's not a sheep. It's a sheep in the duck. Sheep in the duck. Sheep in the duck. See? That's sheep in the duck.
Who said that? Am I a sheep? Am I a duck?
Sheep.
Sheep? Am I a duck?
Sheep in the duck.
Who said that?
Nona.
Okay.
No, who would go on? No, we'll go on it. Polka dots.
Why don't you tell me what happened in the backyard when you had the big stick? Tell me that story. Remember when I saw you and you had the big stick in your hand? What happened?
I said, "You're terrible. You're terrible."
Who are you saying you're terrible to?
To the ladybugs, the yellow ladybugs.
The yellow ladybugs?
Yeah.
I thought you were, what are you afraid of?
All the bees.
Okay. And so you weren't saying you're terrible to the bees?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What happened with the bees?
I scared Mommy yesterday. Teddy come here, and the bug was coming here on the pony, and he was scaring me, and I was crying.
You were crying?
Yes.
Oh, because of the bees. They scared you. And then you got a big stick, and what did you say to the bees?
I said, "You're terrible."
Just once?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me. Show me what you did with the stick.
I had the little Betty. Remember yesterday that come to the doggies?
Yeah?
And I was getting up.
Okay. Let's see your braid. Come here.
I can't.
Oh, okay.
Take a picture of my duck.
Okay.
You know.
I'm making a movie of your duck, actually. And by the way, it's not your duck.
Yeah, it is.
It's your Will is sharing it with you because Nona got that for Will, but she said she would go ahead and try to find one for you as well. Okay? What's Minnie doing right now?
She's just laying on my knee.
Uh-oh, she's going to fall. Don't let her fall.
Oh.
Why don't you show us where you put Minnie? Where did you have her last night? Remember where you put her?
Yeah.
And you let her sleep?
Mm-hmm.
Go put her in there again.
Okay. Try it.
You'll try it? I'll hold your sheep.
Okay.
Duck right here for you.